Merry Christmas. We're going to go over the top three offenses people get arrested for on Christmas Day and what to do about it. So first, the number three offense people get arrested for on Christmas Day is public intoxication. Okay, so that is going to be like if you're over at your brother's or your cousin's house and there's some kind of argument, a disturbance, it's kind of outside and police have to get involved. There's been a sort of maybe a fight or a scuffle, but nobody's going to jail for an assault or anything like that, but you are becoming to, like, you seem to be a threat to neighbors or something like that. Police will often make an arrest for public intoxication in order to just have a reason basically to get you into the jail. If they believe you're intoxicated, they smell alcohol on your breath. These are kind of cases that we can normally work with, but we've got to get a head start on them. And if you've never been arrested before and this is what's happened, we're going to be in pretty good shape helping you out on a case like that. All right, the number two crime to get arrested for on Christmas Day is theft. And this is stuff that happens at the few retail stores that are open. We don't get a whole lot of movie theater, going into the theater and not paying for it, things like that. People go to the movies a lot on Christmas Day. People also go shopping at places like Walgreens. And some people get arrested for theft at places like that. That's a pretty common. We don't normally see like theft of, like interpersonal items, like somebody saying a family member stole a Christmas present. That's not happening a whole lot. I have seen a case where somebody stole a turkey on Thanksgiving and a ham on Christmas Day. I've taken the case when I was a prosecutor for intake on both of those kind of cases. And the number one offense that people get arrested for on Christmas Day, very sad here, assault, family violence. It's normally alcohol involved. It's normally later in the day. But, everybody, I hope you have a Merry Christmas out there. If you're feeling stressed out, if you're feeling like you need to use alcohol to help you with that, there's people you can talk to. There's hotlines. Shoot, if you're having a rough time and you need to call somebody, call my office and I'll talk with you so that we don't have to, hire you on as a client where I'm representing you on a family violence case. Let's just avoid it all together, and everybody have a safe and Merry Christmas out there. And obviously one of the toughest things that we deal with around the holidays is getting people out of jail on Christmas Day. Unless you have a PR bond, a personal recognizance bond, meaning you just get out, or the DA sets a bond for you, you're not getting out on Christmas Day. If you got to wait for the judge, you're going to have to wait for the judge. Now in Harris County, they have judges who on a rotation will come in every few hours. So hopefully you're going to get to see that person pretty quickly. But if you're in a smaller jurisdiction around, it's not going to be till the next day for sure. And you're going to miss out on quite a bit of time. So prayers to everybody who is incarcerated today on Christmas Day, and prayers for their family members who are struggling with that difficult time. So Merry Christmas, everybody, and have a happy and safe one.